Hello, welcome to day one of our healthy eating week, and our challenge today is eat a healthy breakfast. Why? Eating a healthy breakfast is very important for giving us lots of energy and nutrients that we need to keep healthy. It's also important to eat breakfast every day. A healthy breakfast could include fibre, such as cereals or toast, preferably low salt and low sugar cereals. Also, we should include one of our 5 a day fruit and vegetables, for example, chopped banana, or you could put some fruit into your yogurts. You should also include a drink, perhaps water or a low-fat milk or fruit juice. Also, dairy products are important, whether it's milk or yogurts, because they provide calcium and protect our bones and our teeth. And finally, you could include a protein, perhaps eggs. You could have egg on toast, poached egg, or even make an omelette. You could also try making some overnight oats, which I gave in a video tutorial. So they're just a few ideas for you all to try and make a healthy breakfast with your family at home. So go ahead with today's challenge.